So this is the locker room for the visiting team. So it has toilet, it has shower, and of course the lockers over here. So nice. This is the home team locker. Okay. So wow, this is so much bigger. Nice. Yeah.
Sir, you pick the better, the more spacious, the more airy, the better, the bigger locker room deserves to be for deserving ang atuang home team.
Yep. So this is the toilet, the urinals, and the shower for the home team. There you have it. So nice. So this is another restroom for the spectators. So this is the office of the Dynamic Herb Sports Incorporated. Mo nag-handle, mo nag-manage any property. Very nice. This is the actual pitch, and this is what the place looks like after dark with the lights on. Super nice. So this is what the actual pitch looks like, and based on what the tour guide Miss Astrid said, this is the standard size, international standard size. So if you watch the international competitions, this is the actual size of the field.
Which is pretty much already very much acceptable. Currently, our seating is at 550. No, that's 550 seats. That's not according to a new normal setup, but hopefully, when we do open to the public in the near future, we really hope to bring everybody here. We plan to kick off on next year. So next year we want to invite everybody, and as soon as we get this club, we want to I think we want to invite all Cebuanos, everybody who loves football, everybody who loves sports. If you can help us grow the sport, football being our first and official sports club to launch here from Dynamic Herb, we are inviting you to show your support. The team, Cebu Football Club, will be playing in the upcoming cup, the Copa Paulino Cup, and they're gonna be, the kickoff will be on November 7. So we hope to see your hashtags, hashtag Tara Cebu, hashtag Cebu FC. Thank you.
Cebu!